On your Chromebook, you can enable or disable camera and microphone access completely or for specific applications. To enable or disable camera and microphone access, open the Settings application. You can do so by selecting the time in the bottom right corner of the screen, then selecting the gear icon. On the left side of the Settings window, select Privacy and Security. Then on the right side, select Privacy Controls. To turn off camera access for a specific application or website, select Camera Access. Here you can view all the applications that have camera access. To disable access for all applications, select the switch at the top. To disable camera access for a specific application, locate the application, then select the switch. To enable or disable microphone access, go back to Privacy Controls and select Microphone Access. To enable microphone access for all website and applications, select the switch at the top. To enable or disable for a specific app, locate the app and select the switch.